the word during, at a specific time within a period, during the day, during the week, during the meeting. I like to take a walk during the day when the weather is nice. Into we are always busy during the week with work and appointments. He made a presentation during the meeting that lasted over an hour in the course or continuation of an event or activity. During the process, during the journey, during the break, the instructions were given during the process of assembling the furniture, and made several stops during the journey to rest and refuel. I caught up with some friends during the break between classes. While something is happening, during the concert, during the conversation, during the movie. She took a photo during the concert when the band was performing. There was a misunderstanding during the conversation, but we cleared it up later. Then checked his phone during the movie, which annoyed everyone around him, in the time of an event or occasion. During the summer, during the holidays, during the weekend, many people go on vacation during the summer to enjoy the warm weather. Then traveled to the countryside during the holidays to visit family, and usually catch up on reading during the weekend when I have more free time.